How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today I have a little product review. I'm not gonna work on the cars. I have this because I want to show you what I get. Because it's something that I can use in my garage. I'll show you in a minute what it is. When I purchased this, I didn't know it was gonna be, the size of it. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna enjoy this one. Look at that. This is a Yitamotor fridge. Okay, I get this one because sometimes I work in the garage. I don't have waters in there, and I always have to call my son to get me water. I can put my water, I can put my beer, and my sodas. Keep them in the garage. But besides that, you can take this one everywhere, anywhere you go, and you can have cold and heat. So if you take something that is hot, you want to keep it hot, this is good for that. Or something cold, this is good for that. It's not really heavy. Compact design. You can put it on your truck, on the back of your truck, on your car, SUV, whatever. Or just keep it in your office. Probably I'm gonna keep it in the garage because I'm gonna keep my cold drinks in there. Because I'm working every day in my garage and right now it's super hot, I need this. This is mini fridge. Link is gonna be in the description, of course, for this one. And they have different designs. They have pinks, they have some other designs. I picked this one just because it looks really good. Can't wait to use it. It's not super big, but at the same time, something practical. You can connect this in your car with this plug, or you can put it on the wall with this one. Okay guys, I'm gonna plug this into the wall. And I already have some stuff in there. Like I said, this is not big where you can put a bottle straight. It's not gonna close. So one bottle of water, few cans underneath, or you can remove the tray. If you remove this tray, you can fit more stuff in there. But for what I needed, I think this is plenty of room. If you wanna keep this little fridge on your car, when you turn it on cold or heat, whatever you're using, fan is gonna start working and get your stuff chill inside. And the stuff is gonna be cold. But if you have your car off with this thing working, it's gonna drain your battery. Just be aware of that. And because this car, I'm the only one using it, I can put it in there, get my stuff chill when I'm driving, and I'm gonna have it cold whenever I need it. Follow your instructions in case that you have any problems, and it's gonna tell you everything in here about the functions and how cold it is. It's gonna tell you about maintenance, how to keep it clean. Everything is in here. Questions, concerns, you can contact customer support for any problems or questions that you have on this little mini fridge. I'm gonna put this in the garage, keep my stuff cold when I'm working on the cars. Right now it's really hot, but on winter, if I have like a little coffee and I'm working and I don't want the coffee, chocolate or whatever, I don't want it to get cold, I can turn it to the heat position and keep it warm while I'm working on my cars and do my videos. That's all I have for this episode, guys. I hope you like it. Link is gonna be in the description for the Yitamotor mini fridge. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.